last December, my daughter replaced me. Not in life, in usefulness. See, here we were trying to figure out a new board game, and the rule book felt like it was 47 pages long. Nobody wanted to read it, so I start flipping through it, ready to spend the next 20 minutes decoding the instructions, when my 30-year-old daughter pulls out her phone and says, "Hey, ChatGPT, explain the rules of Catan." And explain the rules in simple terms. 2 minutes later, we're all playing. Like, that's when it hit me. I wasn't behind on AI. I had already been replaced. Like, seriously. Here's the uncomfortable truth. While you're debating whether AI is ready for your business, your competitors finished their research, adjusted their pricing, and have already launched. I know because I was once there too. Back then, I was still manually clicking through websites one by one to do competitor research on a new offer. The entrepreneurial world is splitting right now. On the left side, the AI adopters are racing ahead, scaling faster, and making decisions with certainty. On the right side, the AI resistors are clinging to old methods, falling behind every single day. The most dangerous position isn't being behind, it's being unaware that you are behind. Well, I am not here to lecture you about AI. In fact, I'm going to give you the exact system that saved us 237 hours of competitor research. The spreadsheet, the prompts, everything completely free. Link drops at the end. But first, you kind of really need to know, why does this matter? Beyond it just saving you time. Because I really get it. You see, I built my whole career on being ahead of the curve. I'm the person who uncovered how each human being has an original core trauma that actually burrs their ego. Hence the real reason why people self-sabotage. So sitting at that game table, realizing I had been outpaced by my 30-year-old daughter was a gut punch. Which is why 9 months ago, my partner Michael and I made a choice. Disruption over comfort. Beginner over expert. All in over dabbling. We didn't just watch tutorials. We hired a developer, tested 40 plus AI tools, and spent 9 months rebuilding every system, starting with one that was eating most of our time, our competitor research. And what we discovered changed everything. You see, the old way of researching our competitors used to look like this. 41 competitors, 12 to 15 different categories each, pricing, messaging, offers, ad copy, funnels, visiting each website manually, taking screenshots, documenting everything, building spreadsheets, cross-referencing it all. Right? Total time, 240 hours. 1 full month, our entire team grinding through websites, copying the data, organizing the spreadsheets. Now, we've trained AI to handle the entire process. Same depth, same data, better accuracy, and consistent formatting. Time required, 3 hours. Let that sink in. 240 hours down to 3. That's not even a 10% improvement, not even 100% improvement. That's an 8,000 efficiency increase. What? The same intelligence that used to take us a month in 1 afternoon. But here's what shocked me most. This wasn't some proprietary system. This didn't cost us $10,000 of a software. No developer is even required for you, as our competitor analysis tracker maps everything. Look here. Here's the pricing section. Here's every tier. Here's every offer, every upsell, all in one place. Here's their messaging, all the headlines, the value propositions, the positioning statements, what's working, what they're testing. With this information, you can look at their customer journey from lead magnet to high ticket offer, their ad copy, their landing pages, their email sequences that turn prospects into clients. Now, we did have to hire a developer to build this for us, but here's the thing, you don't need one. Everything's already done. You just need to click and copy, and I'm giving it to you today. But here's why this matters more than you think. Nobody's talking about competitor research. It's not the hours that kill you. It's the doubt. Every launch, Without this, you're guessing. Every offer, you're hoping. Every price point, you're praying. You're wondering, has the market changed? Am I pricing this right? Are the competitors running ads I haven't seen? Is there a better strategy I'm missing? Not knowing was way worse than 240 hours. This system doesn't just save you time, it kills the doubt. Now, I know what works. I see what competitors are doing, and I make decisions with certainty. That's worth way more than 237 hours. Here's exactly what you're gonna get. The complete competitor analysis tracker, the exact spreadsheet you just saw, every category, every field, ready to use. AI prompts that will save you 237 hours, step-by-step, an implementation guide so you're not guessing how to use it. And once you download this, you're gonna see exactly what your competitors charge or their high-ticket offers and why they structured it that way. Ad copy and landing paging formulas that convert, and with this information, you'll be able to see their exact customer journey from that lead magnet to premium offer, the pricing models that clicked for businesses in your space. No more guessing, no more assumptions, just data. The link is in the description below. Download it and run your first analysis before dinner tonight. And then email me. If you find something wild, I would love to hear the results, because 6 months from now, one or two things will be true. One, you've analyzed 50 plus competitors, discovered the pricing model that finally clicks, launched an offer that converts at 34% instead of 11%, and banked an extra $47,000 because you knew instead of guessing. Or two, you're still Googling how to use AI for business while your competitors have launched a better offer at a lower price with higher margins, and you have no idea how they did it. The data's free, the system works, the only variable is you. Because in that board game moment, my daughter didn't just ask if AI was ready. She didn't wait for permission. She just solve the problem in 2 minutes. Done. Just like your competitors aren't gonna dabble and aren't waiting either. They're not reading the rule book because they're already winning. Download the system. Let's go beat them at their own game.